Did you know that certain foods are great for your brain and there are certain foods that your brain actually hates? Well, this video is all about the 6 foods that your brain will be ruined by. Okay, number 1 on my list is swordfish. So unfortunately, we know that some fish in the ocean, and a lot of them, contain a lot of toxins. So things like mercury, PCBs, dioxins, and swordfish happens to be the fish that is highest in mercury content when it's been analyzed across different fish. And it's something that you definitely want to be really weary about your consumption and how often you're having swordfish, if at all, because we know mercury, of course, is not going to be healthy for your brain. Okay, number 2 on my list is alcohol. And everything in moderation, of course, but too much alcohol, of course, will ruin your brain, destroying those brain cells and limiting your proper brain capacity. Okay, number 3 on my list is margarine. So those trans fats that are found in margarine, this is not a natural food. Remember, it's synthetically derived, and that is going to be really detrimental to your brain health. Your brain relies on healthy fats, especially those omega-3s like DHA from fish oil, a healthy fish, not swordfish. And this is really important to make that distinction in the types of healthy fats that you're consuming in your everyday diet. Okay, number 4 on my list is tap water. Now, unfortunately, depending on where you live, again, there are a lot of toxins that are naturally occurring in that tap water, and the treatment plants are using other chemicals to help to filter the water and kill off some of the bad bacteria and other organisms. So that tap water is not one of the best foods, of course, for your brain. Okay, number 5 on my list is, and this one's hard, French fries. So, of course, depending on what the potatoes are actually fried in, there are some healthier fats that you can find some healthy French fries if you especially make them yourself. But most conventional oils out there are very inflammatory and not a healthy brain food. And number 6 on my list is sugar-free sodas. So things like aspartame, sucralose are very detrimental, again, to your brain neurons and can ruin your brain health. They're called excitotoxins, so they actually cause an overfiring of those neurons and can be really, really a bad thing for your brain health. Now, that was the bad news. Of course, there are foods that are good for your brain. I want you to check those out in another video that I have, 10 best foods for the brain. I'll see you there.